Hi, I'm going to take you through a quick example of one possible workflow that a teacher and student might have with EquatIO. So if you're using Google Docs to create your EquatIO problem set, and then you go to Google Classroom, you go under Classwork and press Create Assignment. This is no different than how you would normally deliver a Google Doc as an assignment. We're going to add from Google Drive, and it should be in my recent tab because I was just working on it. I'll double click on that. It's now inserted. Just a really important reminder, when you're sending copies to students, make sure you make a copy for each student. You would want to give it a title. Instructions might be very basic or detailed, depending on what you want to do with your students. This might just say, open the Google Doc and complete the problem set. And then on the right side, you want to go through all of your settings and make sure you've delivered everything the way you want. A few things to point out as a reminder, really important to use due dates because that enables it to show up on the calendar and sequence properly in the to-do list for students if they're using those. It's also important to organize into topics, so I'll put mine into sample assignments. The point values are here if you want to change that or make it ungraded. And you can deliver to multiple classes at once, especially for you middle school and high school teachers. You might have 6 classes with the exact same assignment. So you might want to check those off. But for one class, you can differentiate down to the student level, and you can add rubrics if you want. So that's it. You just want to click assign, or maybe you want to schedule the assignment to be released on a particular date and time because the assignment may not be ready to be delivered until next week. So that's it. Click assign, and your students now have a copy of this Google Doc with the EquatIO work in it that they can use. They just need to be logged into their City Schools credentials, have access to EquatIO, and they can use EquatIO on anything that has EquatIO in it.